Auto parts all boil down to welding precision measured in inches. Heron Intelligent Equipment, a long trusted partner in the automotive industry. This is a professional win-win. Stable quality, boosted capacity is the goal for auto parts manufacturing. Heron's robotic welding guns use precise positioning and control tech to solve automatic welding challenges, showing high consistency and reliability. From standalone gear to integrated workstations, Heron makes welds stronger. We are pushing welding to the limit to make cars safer. Heron will keep empowering automotive manufacturing.